Hi children, today we are going to see animal pronunciation. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. P-I-G, pig. C-A, cat. M-E-L, mel, camel. H-I-P, hip. P-O-Po, hippo. F-O-X, fox. L-I-O-N, lion. F-O-X, fox. R-H-I, rye. N-O, no, rhino. E-L-E, P-H-A-N-T, funt, elephant. M-O-N, mon. K-E-Y, key, monkey. H-O-R-S-E, horse. C-H-E-E, chee. T-A-H, ta, cheetah. T-I, tie. G-E-R, ger, tiger. Now we are going to watch birds pronunciation. S-W-A-N, swan. T-U-C-K, duck. P-R-O-W, crow. P-I-P-G-E-O-N, pigeon. M-Y, my. N-A-H, na, myna. P-E-A-P-C-O-C-K, cock, peacock. P-E-N, pen. Q-U-I-N, queen, penguin. O-S-T, ost. R-I-C-H, rich, ostrich. S-P-A-R, spare. R-O-W, row, sparrow. P-A-R, pear. R-O-T, rote, parrot. Today we are going to watch vehicle pronunciation. C-A-R, car. V-A-N, van. B-U-S, bus. B-I-K-E, bike. A-U-T-O, auto. T-R-A-I-N, train. B-O-A-T, boat. S-H-I-P, ship. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane.